In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook calendar on Slack. This is a great integration that allows you to see and manage your schedule directly within your Slack workspace, keeping all your important information and tasks in one convenient place. Let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, open your Slack application on your computer. You can do this through a desktop app or a web browser by signing into your Slack account at slack.com. Once you're on your Slack homepage, you'll see a section on the left-hand sidebar with various options like channels, direct messages, and more. You'll want to zoom in on the Add Apps option. This is your gateway to integrating new tools and functionalities right into your Slack ecosystem. Go ahead and click on Add Apps. This will open up the Slack app directory where you can find a multitude of applications to enhance your workspace. In the search bar provided, type in Outlook Calendar. As you type, you might see similar apps suggested, but you'll want to focus on the Outlook Calendar app for this particular integration. Once it appears in the search results, click on it. Now, with the Outlook Calendar app details in front of you, look for an option to install or add the app to your Slack. This button is generally prominently displayed, inviting you to integrate this calendar app. When you're ready to proceed, simply click on Install. This will initiate the app's integration process. After clicking the Install button, you'll be directed to a page requesting permission to add the Outlook calendar to your Slack workspace. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into the correct Slack workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple workspaces. Click on Add to Slack to permit the integration. Next, you may be prompted with another request for permissions. You'll need to authorize certain accesses such as calendar events, which allow the Outlook app to function seamlessly within Slack. Feel free to review these permissions, and when you're satisfied, click Allow to proceed. Once allowed, you'll be redirected and asked if you'd like to open a new page or link within your browser. This might be necessary to finalize the setup, so click on Open this link in your browser if prompted. With the integration process complete, return back to Slack. On your left sidebar, find and click on Home, which is your primary dashboard within Slack. Now, under the Apps section, you should see Outlook Calendar listed. Clicking on it will open up your calendar inside Slack, giving you visibility over your events and any necessary functionalities to manage them directly from Slack. Congratulations! You've successfully added the Outlook calendar to your Slack. Now you can effortlessly keep track of your meetings and events without leaving your Slack workspace, greatly enhancing your productivity and workflow. That's it for today's tutorial. Happy scheduling,